Franz Ruiz, sa kulungan na magpapasko, sa kulungan na mag-almusal, sa kulungan na mag-lunch, sa kulungan na mag-dinner. Doon na rin siya ata mag-Happy New Year dahil sa kanyang paulit-ulit na pagsisinungaling sa Senado. Ibabartolina na sana ang babaeng ito para magtanda at hayaan nang tumanda sa bilibid na karma na ang mapang-api.
Chair, I move that we cite this woman, Mrs. Franz Garcia Ruiz, in contempt.
I second the motion, Mr. Chair.
Can you escort Mrs. Ruiz to the detention facilities?
Honor, kaya hindi ko na po baga nagagawa, Your Honor. Ang sinasabi ko na lang po sa mga kasambahay, bantayan nyo na lang yung pagkain kasi alam nyo naman ang sitwasyon ni Ate LV. Ganun na lang po ang pinapakiusap ko, Your Honor, sa mga kasambahay namin.
Ba si dating sales boy nyo alias Pau Pau, kilala mo?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Na tumagal lang sa'yo ng 2 taon, 2 linggo dahil hindi niya nakayanan yung pag-aabuso mo.
Hindi po, Your
Hindi mo
Honor.
kilala si Pau Pau.
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Handa siyang tumistigo. Si LV, ayon sa kanya, ay hindi pa bulag nung nandun siya. Nakita niya paano abusuhin si LV. Pinupukpok mo ng martilyo, sinusuntok, dinidikdikan ng sili at pinakakain sa bibig ni LV at nilalagay mo pa raw sa ari ni LV.
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Aling LV, totoo ba ito? Sa lahat ng mga sinabi ko.
Pwede ka sumagot, pwede hindi mo sagutin.
Opo, totoo po lahat yan. Totoo po lahat.
Yung dinidiktikan ng sili at pinapakain sa bibig mo.
Opo, sinusubuan po ako ng sili.
Tapos nilalagay pa sa ari mo.
Opo, totoo po yan.
Napakawalang yan ito. Oh, meron pa isang garbage collector. Alias Paul. Baka hindi niya tunay na pangalan to. Kinuha ng litrato si LV. Matapos sabihin na siya ay minamaltrato. Hihingi sana ng tulong pero sinundan ni Jerry siguro sa palagay dito sa munisipyo, palagay ko sa Barangay Holto. Tinakot at pinabura ang mga kuhang litrato kay LV. Totoo ba ito mga aling LV? Ikwento mo tungkol sa basura, aling LV.
Yung pong nagtapon po ako ng basura, may mga sugat na nga po ako at duguan. Tapos po may mga pasa-pasa na po ako sa mga katawan ko sa mukha. Tapos po tinatanong po ako, sinong may gawa niyan?
Teka, sino nagtanong sa inyo, aling LV?
Yung pong nagkumukuha po ng basura.
Nagkakot ng basura?
Opo.
Okay.
Tapos po pinipicturan nga po ako. Tapos po dumating po si kuya, bigla niya po ako hinila. Tapos
Sino umila sa'yo?
yung pong amo kong lalaki.
Bakit ka hinila?
Sabi niya, huwag kang magkukwento siya. No?
Doon pa lang. Hindi ako polygraph machine, ha? I am not a polygraph machine. I am not claiming to be a master investigator. Pero yung sagot mo lang na yon, klaro na. You're grouping for words. Naghanap ka ng iimbintuhin mong sasabihin mo. Nakikita ko na doon. Klarong-klaro yun. Alam mo, pag investigador ka, you are after the verbal and non-verbal messages that is coming out from your subject. Kita verbal at non-verbal, makikita mo, yun lang, Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang ipakita, emphasize na talagang may pinsan to lie itong ating resource person nandito ngayon. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, huwag na tayo magpaligoy-ligoy pa dahil panay kasinungalingan itong sinasabi niyo. Mr. Chair, since we have heard the testimonies of the resource persons present here today, in the name of JM, ano ito? What's your family name, JM? Taroma, Patrick, Simbahon, and Dodong, alias Dodong. And there are a lot of witnesses who wants to come out and to testify against Ms. Franz. And those who are willing to testify wants to come out, like for example, itong si Pau Pau and the garbage collector, maybe we can summon them in the next hearing, maybe by next week, because we are going to have our recess the week after next. So, and this woman, our resource person, Mrs. Franz, have been giving a lot of inconsistent answers coming from me. And I believe that this woman, Miss Franz Ruiz, is the mastermind of everything, of maltreating, of inflicting severe injuries, leading to the total blindness of Aling LV. Therefore, Mr. Chair, I move that we cite this woman, Mrs. Franz Garcia Ruiz, in contempt.
I second the motion, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion here coming from Senator Estrada to cite in contempt Mrs. Franz Garcia Ruiz, duly seconded by Senator De La Rosa, and under the rules of the Senate, as affirmed.
Maybe, Mr. Chair, we better confine her at the Pasay City Jail, not here in the Senate.
And under the, if I may continue, Senator Estrada, under the rules of the Senate, as confirmed by the Supreme Court in Balag versus Senate GR 234608, July 3, 2018, and other relevant Supreme Court decisions, the committee may, as affirming likewise the case of Arnold, cite a resource person in contempt. And the Sergeant at Arms may be directed by this committee to detain the said person cited for contempt. There is a subsequent motion, unless the first motion is amended by Senator Estrada, to detain Mrs. Franz Garcia, to commit Mrs. Franz Garcia to the Pasay City Jail. The chair would perhaps ask the movant to reconsider the Pasay City detention and instead commit said Mrs. Garcia to the Senate premises for the reason that we will also be needing her immediate presence during next week's hearing, unless Senator Estrada would want to retract his modification, or if Senator De La Rosa would support the subsequent
Chair,
motion, amended motion,
if I may.
the committee would decide accordingly. Senator,
Yep.
Mr. Chair,
Yeah.
Senator
if I may,
Estrada first.
I will not withdraw my motion. I still insist that she be committed at the Pasay City Jail, because Pasay City Jail is just near the Senate. We can always subpoena her or call her attention in case this committee needs her presence here.
Mr. Chair,
That was the pleasure of Senator De La Rosa.
before you rule the motion of Senator Jingo Estrada, may I move for a 1-minute suspension, Mr. Chair? Pag-usapan tayo tatlo.
Session is suspended for 1 minute. By approves the said motion of Senator Estrada and a detention order be issued to Mrs. Franz Garcia Ruiz for continuously evading the questions propounded by the members of this committee, as well as falsely testifying under direct examination by committee members and consistent with the rules of the Senate, which considers a commitment order issued by a committee as a contempt of the Senate, the Sergeant at Arms is hereby directed to place under detention within the Senate premises said person, Mrs. Franz Garcia Ruiz, with visitation rights accorded to his family members as well as counsel, effective today, September 19, 2023, given in open session by the Senate Committee on Justice and Human Rights. So ordered. Osa, can you escort Mrs. Ruiz to the detention facilities of the Philippine Senate? Any motion to suspend the hearing for today?
Mr. Chairman, I move to suspend the hearing for the day.
Without objections on the part of the members of the Committee on Justice and Human Rights, the Senate Committee on Justice and Human Rights investigation is hereby suspended.